sweets. This is siya.
Approaching destination.
We're here na. Ito kami magsistay for ilang days. Habang dito kami sa Orlando, and then papasyal kung saan man dito. Hopefully maging smooth, walang bagyo, hindi malamig kasi compared last time 2012, pagdating namin maaraw, mainit, maganda weather, kinabukasan malamig, pero December kasi yun 2012. Pero ngayon mukhang pleasing naman ang ating weather. Look at that, maaraw. May baon tayong rice cooker, tsaka bigas, pangkabuhayan showcase. O, ito yung room natin. O, yan taray, bes! O, shushan.
And I like that bathroom.
Tapos ito ang kanilang living room. Tipid moves. Meron kaming ulam, bangus, at tsaka hotdog. Tsaka yung baon namin kanin. O, diba?
Yeah.
Yay. Tapos, libre pa yung hotel natin. Sarap. Ito po ang aming bato. That looks like a malunggay soup, but it's just a soup. I think that smells like what's this? Corn soup. And then they're eating hot dogs. And we have pretzels and sausage. Here you go. That is the Disney Quest Interactive Adventures. Look at that. Jarvis, are you asleep? Oh my god, the kids are asleep. We're here na sa Disney Interactive whatever. Disney Quest. Libre lang dito, diba? Tama ba? Nag-iba na yung itsura niya. Disney Quest na siya ngayon. Dati, ang tawag dito dati is Disney Boulevard yata, parang ganun. Basta free lang yung dito, entrance. Parang ito yung patikim pa lang sa Disney World. Major attraction din siya dito. And usually yung mga turista like us, usually ginagawa is pagdating sa Florida or sa Orlando, ito muna yung first stop. Tapos kinabukasan, it's either Universal Studios or Disney World na. Kaya nagbago na yung itsura niya, diba? Ang laki ng pinagbago. Dati kasi makita mo palang isang may malaking planet something, diba? Tama? Ngayon wala na akong makitang planet Hollywood or something like that. I-recall ko yung mga pictures. I'll post it here, maybe? Or somewhere in this video. Yung Disney Quest na to is mostly mga restaurants, mga cafes na open for public, so wala siyang entrance. Yung nga, gusto mo lang kumain dito, pwede kang magpahinga, pasyal mga bata. And sometimes Tapos may mga performers din dito na na naka-scatter sila dito sa kung saan man dito na gusto nila mag-perform. They're scattered everywhere.
Thank you very much, everybody. Everybody's having a good time here tonight. We're gonna.
I remember dati nakapwesto ako dyan. Ito yung picture Point. Ito yung picture dati. Pagod na pagod talaga ako. Sobra. Tapos first day pa lang namin yun. Oh, Jabi, doon ka sa kabilang side. Ayun.
Hi, Gavin.
This is today's vlog, and we will be uploading this hopefully tonight, and we'll see you again tomorrow para Judy time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like, please. Thank you.